In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with GitHub. This is a fantastic way to streamline your project management by keeping your Asana tasks in sync with your GitHub activity. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll want to log into your Asana account and navigate to the specific project that you want to connect with GitHub. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your project header. You should see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic begins. Now that you're in the Customize menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. This is where you'll find options to enhance your project's functionality. Look for the button that says Plus Add App. Click on that, and you're going to see a list of available applications. Find GitHub in that list. It should be pretty easy to spot, and then click on the button that says Plus Add to Project. After you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to sign in to your GitHub account. Make sure that you're using the account that has the necessary permissions, especially if you are part of an organization. It's important to authorize Asana to access your GitHub information. This step is crucial because without authorizing, the integration won't be able to function properly. Once you've authorized the connection, you'll notice that a dedicated GitHub field now appears in your Asana tasks. This is a game changer. You can actually paste any GitHub pull request or commit URLs right into this field. Once you do that, tasks in Asana will automatically sync with the status of the linked GitHub item. It's super convenient. Now, after linking the tasks, Asana will monitor the progress for you. This means that whenever there's an update on the linked GitHub item, like it being opened, merged, or closed, Asana will automatically update the task status accordingly. You no longer have to switch back and forth between Asana and GitHub to keep track of your project. Everything starts working harmoniously together, enhancing your workflow. Let's recap the process one more time. First, log into Asana and select the project you want to sync with GitHub. Next, click on the Customize button and find the Apps section. There, you'll add the GitHub app. Following that, authorize your GitHub account to complete the setup. Finally, link your GitHub pull requests or commit URLs in the dedicated field that appears in your Asana tasks. You'll now be able to see comprehensive updates about your tasks without any hassle. So there you have it. Integrating Asana with GitHub makes your project management tasks much more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more ways to optimize your workflow.